Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to share Capcut video to YouTube in 2025. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, when you open Capcut, then tap on new project option. After that you should have to add the video or photo here. So I'm adding a video. I selected the video and then tap on add option in the bottom. Now the video has added to Capcut, so I am directly export it by tapping on the export button on the upper right corner. Now the video is exporting, so we have to wait for some seconds. Now the video has exported, so you can see many options in the bottom like Instagram, Stories, YouTube. So you should have to tap on YouTube to add to YouTube. Now the video YouTube has opened, so tap on next option and you can see your video here. Now tap on next option again. Here you can also add sounds or music to this video. Now you should have to add titles, tags, descriptions, etc. and then tap on upload short option to upload this video to YouTube. So that is the method. Hope this will help you. Thanks.